Okay, so that's good. So now I'm going to jump back in.
All right.
Well, that was good because I think that brought out a lot of people to have to think. So, wondering again why we're doing this, you can see that we're talking and we're thinking. None of this was planned out. Although we each had an agenda that we were looking at and how we were going to go about it between Ted and I, but we didn't plan it out. So as we talk, I interrupt and I say things, and Ted brings out other things. That's what the channel is about. We're not about watch me. I'm not entertaining. I got my teeth fixed and stuff. That looks nice. My hair might look messy, but I'm not here to entertain. I'm here to help. All right. So discovery. What do I mean by discovery? Well, let's say you just were born. What are you going to do? You're going to lay in that crib. Your eyes are going to be moving just a little up, down, and around. Why? You're looking around at your environment to discover what the hell is this, okay? It's no different than when we go to the mountain on the first day of a new season. We're looking around.
Any day.
All right. So that's the simplest form, and it's your eyes and your brain working. What happens after that? You're the kid, remember? What do you start doing? I look there. Can I reach there?
Yeah.
Can I touch that?
Investigate some more,
Can I
right?
get to that?
Yeah.
Can I taste that? So what is my actually doing? Well, for those of you who've been on the channel a while, I'm extending and flexing. So my brain got me into another range of motion with minimal parts of the body. I'm still laying on my back, looking, going, bleh, I'm dribbling on myself, all the rest of the stuff, but I'm going through this process. And then I get tired of just looking up, and what do? Help me, Lord, help me. And pretty soon I can roll a little bit, and I roll over on my belly. Welcome to the new world. So I rolled over on my belly. Well, that was your rotation. So we had discovery, we had flex and extension, we have rotation. And after we get rotation, we start to build more body strength, and that's what all of those things we're doing. Brain, body, and muscle, building all of those skills. We turn around and we get into, can I stand up on these things? So I look for help. But do I go to the top of the stairs to do it? You hope not. I'm still on the floor in front of the TV or wherever in the living room, next to the dog.
Hold on to the crib bars,
but
right?
I get to be a fast crawler, and suddenly I push myself up. And I go, wow, this is amazing. I can stand. And then I start thinking, wow, that flexion extension I was doing here, maybe I can do it here and here. And all of it starts to tie together. Then I become no longer the crawler, but the upright. And then number 5 on my list was combining all of this together, which is the building blocks of life coming up from birth. And then those building blocks in life start to fall down a little bit. Well, Ted and I are in the fall down side. Not that we fall out, you probably see more of us.
We're trying to slow it down.
I'm sure you guys will enjoy that and think that's hilarious. We will put more of that in because it is funny, all right? And I'll try to fall more than Ted this year. So, anyhow, then we start to regress. We don't maintain that stuff we grew with up to about age 40. And then we consider ourselves old and we quit doing things.
Yeah.
And then all of those things that we just built start to fall off. And Avron's talking about, you regress. I feel like I'm regressing. So Ted and I have to do and have to play the game the way we just mentioned it to you. And I believe that all of you, if you stay with us on this growth pattern we're talking about and watch it develop, you can snowboard. We don't tell stories. We don't tell lies. We're not here to say, watch me jump off this building, mommy, and see how cool I am. That's not what it's about. We want to be a learning channel. We want to be a helping channel. We want you to spread the word. So if you like what we're doing here, please let other people know about it. Let's build the subscriber stuff here and stay with us. Although you might think that sometimes I don't need it. There's nothing that we do that we don't need. So I don't know why you would need it too. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, hit the like button. If you don't like it, you can hit the dislike. But if you're going to hit a dislike, tell us why.
Give us a reason, yeah.
Give us a reason. Don't just, I don't like you. You don't even know me. and you don't even know Ted. If you did, you go, wow, what a bunch of great old guys. All right, and we do have things to say because we've experienced them. So we're out for